Let us go into the remainder theorem. Remainder theorem for polynomial equation. In previous classes, we have seen dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. So this we have already studied, and the same is applicable for the polynomial equation. Let us take a simple example, like say 17 is the dividend divided by 5, then 5 3 ja 15, remainder is 2, so 17 is equal to divisor 5 multiplied by 3 plus 2 equal to 70. So this same thing is applicable here in polynomial equation also. Like say, if in the polynomial equation is fx is divided by a polynomial gx, then there are two possibilities which can happen. Remainder, either it can be 0 or greater than 0. So it can be 0 or non-zero, or rather say non-zero. If the remainder is 0, this is a dividend, this is a divisor. If the remainder is 0, then gx is a factor of fx, means fx is completely divided by gx. If it is not 0, then gx is not a factor of fx and remainder will be there. Now let us take an example how this remainder theorem works, and we can utilize it to solve our problem. Let us say that one polynomial equation px is equal to x raised to power 4 minus 3x square plus 2x plus 5. This polynomial equation is divisor is x minus 1. This equation is divided by this. There are long method by which we can find out the remainder for this equation, what will be the remainder, or we can find out whether this is really a factor of this or not. If it is a factor of this equation, then remainder will become 0. If it is not a factor of this equation, then there will be some remainder. Let us do the long method, but before applying the long method, we have to put this polynomial equation into a decreasing order of the highest degree. So px will become x raised to power 4 plus or minus whatever you want to put, 0 multiplied by x raised to power 3 minus 3x square plus 2x plus 5, because the x cube was missing here, that is why I put 0x cube here. Now do the long method. x4 plus 0x cube minus 3x square plus 2x plus 5 divided by x minus 1. In last classes you have seen this x cube, x raised to power 4 divided by this, you will get a x cube. So multiply x cube into this equation. For getting the first term of the quotient, I will solve it here, x minus 1 multiplied by x cube. So if you take in x raised to power 4 minus x cube. So this way the first term will be x cube, then here it will be x raised to power 4 minus x cube. Now when you will do this, after subtracting this, you will see this x4 will get cancelled, it will become 0, and this plus x cube, so it will become minus x cube. Because here it is a minus, then it will be within bracket, then this minus, then this will become plus, so here it will be plus. Now you will take out the second term as you are doing in the normal equation. In this equation, how much time it will get multiplied by, or what will be the next term of the quotient? X cube. You do one thing, x cube divided by the first term of the divisor x is equal to x square. So this equation should be multiplied by x square, x minus 1 into x square, that is a x cube minus x square. So second term will be x square. So here you will do x square, so this will become x cube minus x square. Now solve this, you have to subtract it, so this plus will become minus and this will become plus, this will get cancelled 0, and minus 3x square plus x square will be minus 2x square. Third term we will take it out down, is a 2x. So third term of the quotient here, that way we have seen. Now you have got minus 2x square divided by x, it will become x and x will get cancelled, minus 2x. So this divisor you will multiply by minus 2x, and here it will be minus 2x times it will go. So multiplied by x minus 1 into minus 2x, so this minus 2x into x minus 2x square, and minus 1 into minus 2x plus 2x. So if you are dividing it by 2x times, then it will become minus 2x square plus 2x. So again you are subtracting, then this will become plus and this will become minus. So here it is a 0. But still the constant is there, which you will take it out at the last term. But since it does not have any variable, then it cannot be divided by this. So the remainder in this equation is 5. This is a long method. This is a quotient. This is a divisor. This is a dividend. And this is a remainder. Now to check your answer. Quotient multiplied by divisor. X minus 1 multiplied by x cube plus x square minus 2x. Put it into bigger bracket plus 5. So we should get this equation. Let us quickly solve this. X multiplied by x cube x4, x multiplied by x square plus x cube, x multiplied by 2 minus 2x minus 2x square, then minus 1 multiplied by x cube minus x cube, minus 1 multiplied by x square minus x square, minus 1 multiplied by minus 2x, minus minus will become plus 2x plus 5. Let us solve this. X cube is a minus plus here, minus here, these 2 will get cancelled. So your answer will be x4 minus 2x and minus x square minus 3x square and plus 2x plus 5. So you can see you reached to this equation. So this is what it is. This is a long way of finding out the remainder. But why we are using the theorem? Because of the theorem we can find out the easiest way for the remainder. You can see here, to find out the remainder, if you place P, equate this divisor to 0. X minus 1 is equal to 0, so x is equal to 1. Equate this equation to 0 and place the value of x here. So find out P1 is equal to 1 raised to power 4 1 minus 3 raised to power 1 will remain same plus 2 multiplied by 1 2 plus 5. So minus 3 plus 2 plus 1 will get cancelled. So remainder is 5. So with the remainder theorem, what it says, equate the divisor to 0. Whatever value of the x is coming, apply on the equation, you will get the remainder. So there is no need to go for a long method which is seen earlier. Just straight equate this and you will get the remainder. Let us see another thing. But under the remainder theorem, only thing which is seen is the x minus 1 divisor. The highest degree is 1, which is a linear equation. Remainder theorem will be applicable only when the divisor is a linear. Let us take another example. Say Py is equal to y cube plus y square plus 2y plus 3, and it's divided by a linear equation. Divisor is equal to y plus 2 is a linear equation because the highest order is 1. I'll take it with the long root and the other thing to find out the remainder. Let us take a long root quickly. Y cube plus y square plus 2y plus 3 divided by y plus 2. It is already in order 3, 2, 1, 0. So no need to rearrange this like we did earlier. Y plus 2. What will be the first term of the quotient? Divided by y cube divided by y is equal to y square. This y square should be multiplied here. Y square y plus 2 is equal to y cube plus 2y square. Okay. So first term of the quotient is y square. So here it will be y cube plus 2y square. You will subtract it. Then y cube will become 0. Y square minus 2y square is equal to minus y square. Take out the 2y from the top. Now what will be the second thing? Y square, second term of the quotient. Y square by y is equal to y. Y you have to multiply it by the y plus 2. So that will become y square plus 2y. So second term of the quotient will be y. Oh, minus y square. Sorry, I did a mistake. It is a minus y square. So second term will be here minus y square, and this will be multiplied by minus y. This will become minus y plus 2 minus y multiplied by y plus 2, that is minus y square minus 2y. So it will become minus y square minus 2y. You have to subtract, then it will become plus. This will become plus. Y square will get cancelled. 2y will become plus 4y. Now take out 3. Third term of the quotient, find it out. 4y divided by y is equal to 4 will be the positive number, then plus 4. 4 multiplied by y plus 2. So 4y plus 8. Here will be 4y plus 8. If you are dividing this number by 4 times, sign will get changed. 4y will get cancelled. Plus 3 minus 8 will be minus 5. So that is what is the remainder here. This is a long method. I have once again explained it to you so that you should have the basic clear. Now quickly find out with the remainder theorem. Equate divisor to 0, then you will get a y is equal to 2. Now replace the value of y. 2 minus 2 cube is minus 8 because exponent is odd, so minus sign will be there. Then here plus exponent is even, then minus minus become plus, then it will become 4. Here 2 multiplied by minus 2 is minus 4 plus 3. This minus 4 plus 4 will get cancelled. Minus 8 plus 3 minus 5. So that is what is the remainder theorem is. Instead of going for a long method, you just equate the divisor to 0 and you will get whatever y value you are getting, or this thing is possible. Apply this value here in the polynomial equation and you will get the remainder. But I will repeat it here. This is remainder theorem is only possible when the divisor is of linear, means having a highest degree 1. Now in the remainder theorem, there may be a question to prove the remainder theorem. Let us assume Px is a polynomial equation divided by a linear equation x minus a, and then the remainder is equal to PA. Then how to prove that this remainder theorem? Here it is a divisor is again a linear equation. So let us assume quotient is equal to qx. Okay, so px will become a quotient is equal to qx and say remainder is rx. So px will be divisor multiplied by quotient plus rx. In any polynomial equation, the remainder degree will be always lesser than the degree of the divisor. So here the degree of the divisor is 1, then remainder degree will become 0. So either Rx will become 0 or a constant. So let us assume Rx is equal to a constant, that is equal to R. So now the equation will become Px x minus a multiplied by qx plus R is a remainder. Now here you apply the value of x is equal to a and find it out what it comes. So PA is equal to value a minus a, value of x you apply to a multiplied by qx plus r. So this will become 0. So PA is equal to r. So that is how you can prove that under the remainder theorem, if it is divisor is applicable only when the divisor is of a linear equation. So that is how you can prove the PA will become the remainder. Let us take few more example on this, because a lot of questions can come and a lot of twisting can be done in this. If suppose you have to find out the remainder for equation px is equal to x4 minus 3x square plus 2x plus 1, when it is divisor is equal to x minus 1, which is again a linear equation. Here to find out a remainder. You can do with the long method, but here to find out the remainder with, I'll give you the full step which you have to write down in the exam. With remainder theorem, x minus 1 is equal to 0, so x is equal to 1. Hence, remainder will be P1 is equal to 1 raised to power 4 1 minus 3 plus 2 plus 1 minus 3, and this will get cancelled, remainder will be 1. So that is what is your answer is. Similarly, you have been asked to find out if an equation is given px is equal to x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a is divided by x minus a, then find remainder. In this equation, just x minus a equal to 0. So x equal to a, find out PA equal to a cube minus a into a square a cube again plus 6a minus a cube it get cancelled, 6a is the remainder will be 5a. Even if you do with the long method, you will find this. There can be other twists can be made into this. Like, let us take another example. Fx is equal to 2x raised to power 4 minus 6x cube plus 2x square minus x plus 2 is divided by x plus 2. I am writing out divided by, find remainder. So again same, x with the, you have to write down in detail. With the remainder theorem, x plus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 2. Now find out f. Minus 2, 2 multiplied by minus 2 raised to power 4 minus 6 multiplied by minus 2 raised to power 3 plus 2 minus 2 raised to power 2 minus 2 plus 2. Let us solve this. Minus 2 raised to power 4 will become 16 plus 16, 2 multiplied by 16 plus, because the exponent is even number, here minus, this will become minus 8, minus 6 into minus 8 plus 2 into 4, minus minus become plus 2 plus 2, that is 32, minus minus plus 48 plus 8 plus 2 plus 2. So this will become 92. So that is how you have to solve this thing. There are other thing also everywhere, wherever the linear equation divisor, you have to equate it to 0. Find out the value of x or whatever is the variable, whether it can be y, t or whatever, and find out the value of the fx. Let us quickly take another example, a little bit twist. Like say fx is equal to x cube minus 6x square plus 2x minus 4 divided by gx, which is 1 minus 3x. The little twist is x is kept here and here. It does not make much of a difference. So you equate this, but you will write down with the remainder theorem 1 minus 3x is equal to 0. Take 3x here. 1 equal to 3x. Take 3 here. So x is equal to 1 upon 3. Now find out the value of f. 1 upon 3. 1 upon 3 cube minus 6 multiplied by 1 upon 3 square plus 2 multiplied by 1 upon 3 minus 4. 1 upon 27 minus 9, 6 upon 9 plus 2 upon 3 minus 4. When you solve this, I am not going into detail. When you solve this, you will get an answer that is minus 107 upon 27. So that is what is the remainder is. Here the little twist is that they have changed the variable factor in the divisor. Instead of placing it at the first term, they placed it at the second term. This does not make much of a difference. There are other questions which can come. Like say, if a polynomial, there are two polynomial equations. Fx is ax cube plus 4x square plus 3x minus 4, that is 1, and ux equal to x cube minus 4x plus a. Here the trick is this and this is another variable they have introduced. And the condition given, if these two equations are divided, divisor is equal to, if it is x minus 3, then these two equations have same remainder. So you have been asked to find out the value of A. So that means, first of all, what will be the value of x? With the remainder theorem, x minus 3 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 3. And what it is saying, when this equation is divided by this and this equation is divided by this, will have the same remainder. Means if you do f3 is equal to u3, means if you place f3, then whatever is the value coming will be the same value coming here, because as per the remainder theorem, you place the value of x, then you will get the remainder, and they are saying both the reminders are same. Now let us solve this. F cube is a cube, means cube 3 cube means 27a, then 4x square, 3 3s are 9, x square is 9, 9 into 3, 36, plus 3 into 3, 9, minus 4, equal to 3 into 3, 27, 3 cube 27, minus 4 into 3, minus 12, plus a. So with this equation, it is a and this is a. With this equation, you can find out the value of a. So let us do that. 27a, 36 plus 9 is 45, minus 4 plus 41, 27 minus 12 is 15, plus a. Take a here and this here. So 27a minus a is equal to 15 minus 41. So with this, when you solve, we did something wrong. 27a plus 36 plus 9 minus 4 is equal to 27 minus 12 plus a. Okay, this is 27. Okay, is the 26a, sorry, 26a is equal to minus 26. So a is equal to minus 26 upon 26 equal to minus 1. So that is how you find out the value of a here. What you can do, you can quickly cross check. Let us take a simple equation, this and this. How to cross check your answer? Minus 1 you find out. Put the value of minus 1 here. Then this equation, I am just putting it here. This equation will become minus x cube plus 4x square plus 3x minus 4, and this equation will become x cube minus 4x minus 1. Now quickly place the value of 3 here in this equation. Let me see, this is number 1. Then number 1 will become 3 minus 27 plus 4x square, 9 into 4 36, plus 3 into 3 9, minus 4 equal to this will become 9 plus 9 plus 9 18, minus 4 equal to 14. Now put the value of here is number 2, 3 is the 27 minus 3 into 4 12 minus 1. This is becoming 15 minus 1 equal to 14. So that is true, whatever is given have same remainder. Means whatever value of the A you have find it out is having a correct, because when you are putting the value of A you are having the same remainder when you are putting the value of x is equal to 3. So in mathematics you can always check out the answer immediately by using a short thing. But checking out the answer is possible only if you are solving your question paper very fast. Because checking out the answer will always consume a little bit of time. So try to solve your question paper quickly so as you will have a sufficient time to check few answers at least. Let us see another twist in the problem. Like say one polynomial equation fx is given x cube plus 2x square minus 5x minus 7 is divided by x plus 1 x plus 1, then remainder is r1. This one equation given. Second, ux equal to x cube plus ax square minus 12x plus 6 is divided by x minus 2, then remainder is r2. Now here a is a variable, here also a is a variable. Another condition is given if 2r1 plus r2 equal to 6, find value of a. Now this is the question. Of course it is a little twisted, but don't confuse with it, because what they are saying ki if you put the value of x is equal to minus 1 here, whatever equation is coming because of this variable, this will become r1. Put x equal to 2, because x minus 2 equal to 0, x equal to 2, you will put the value of 2 here. Whatever equation will coming, that will be r2. Then apply this equation and find out the value of a. Let us solve this. So r1 equal to this x minus 1 is equal to 0, so x is equal to minus 1. r1 equal to f minus 1. Let us put the value here. Minus 1 cube is a minus 1, minus 2 into 1 minus 1 square, minus 1 square is equal to plus 1, minus 2, this will be minus 2, minus 5a minus 1 minus 7 equal to minus 2 minus 1 minus 3, minus 3 minus 7 minus 10, minus 10, and this minus minus will become plus, plus 5a, or you can write down 5a minus 10 is all same. So this is what is the one equation. You get a value of R1. Now the value of R2 is equal to U. I'm doing it a short way. Okay, you had to find out as per reminder theorem, x minus 1 is equal to 0. So f x is equal to minus 1, then f minus 1 is equal to so and so. So f minus 1 is equal to so and so given in the question. So R1 is equal to this. Do it in a long way, then only you will get a marks in your exam. Here I am putting value of this 2. So if you are putting value of 2 here, 2 cube is 8 plus 2 square 4. 4a will remain same, minus 2 into 12, 24 plus 6. Then on solving this, 6 minus 18 plus 8 minus 10, 4a minus 10. This is the value of R2 and R1. Now a given 2R1 plus R2 is equal to 6. So apply this equation. 2 multiplied by, I am just reversing it, 5a minus 10 plus R2 4a minus 10 is equal to 6. Solve this. 2 multiplied by 5a 10a minus 20 plus 4a minus 10 equal to 6. So 10a plus 4a 14a minus 20 minus 10 minus 30 equal to 6. 14a is equal to, take this thing here, 6 plus 30, 36. 14a is equal to 36. A is equal to 36 upon 14. You can further solve this equation. Here, have we did something wrong? Oh, wait. Minus 1. This will be okay. Here I had taken the question wrongly. Basically it is plus, but this is how you have to solve this. Okay. So there is, what is the remainder theorem is? There can be any twisting can happen in the question, and that is what is all about the mathematics. Let's take an example. Let's say fx is equal to x raised to power 4 minus 2x cube plus 3x square minus x square minus ax plus b is the one polynomial equation given with the highest degree of 4. When it is divided by x minus 1, then remainder is equal to 5. And when it is divided by x plus 1, then remainder is equal to 19. Find out remainder when divided by x minus 2. Here the trick is there are two variables. So first you have to solve this. Find out the value of A and B using this. Then use the remainder theorem. Put the value of A and B first in this equation. Use the remainder theorem and put f x is equal to 2. So find out f2. So that is what you have to do. Let us quickly find it out. X minus 1. So x will become 1. So f1 equal to remainder is given 5. Let us quickly put the value of 1. So 5 will become 1 raised to power 4 of 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus A plus B. So that will become 3 plus 1 4 minus 2 2 2 minus A plus B equal to 5. This is a one equation you obtained. Now remainder is equal to 19. If you are putting f x plus 1 so equal to 0, so x is equal to minus 1. Let us find out the value of minus 1. Then question is given the remainder will be equal to 19. Now put the minus 1 here. Minus 1 raised to power 4 1. Even exponent it will remain 1. Then this is x cube of minus 1 will be minus 1. Then minus 1 into minus 2 will be plus 2. And here x square minus 1 square is equal to 1. So it will be 3. Minus 1 into minus a is equal to plus a plus b. So that will become 3 2 plus 5 6. 6 plus a plus b. So you got two equation. Now this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Let us solve this. 2 minus a plus b equal to 5. So take this 2 here. So minus a plus b equal to 3. This is from deriving out from equation 1. Here 6 plus a plus b equal to 19. Take 6 here. So a plus b equal to 19 minus 6 is 30. Now add these two equations. Left hand side to left hand side and right hand side to right hand side. Minus a plus b plus a plus b equal to 3 plus 30. So is equal to 16. Here you will see minus a will get cancelled. It will become 2b is equal to 16. So b equal to 8. Now you got a value of b. Apply the value of b in any of this equation. Say let us apply here. A plus b is equal to 13. So a plus 8 is equal to 13. Then it will become 8 will go there. So a is equal to 5. You got a value of b, you got a value of a. What you have been asked? Find out the remainder when divided by x minus 2. Now it is very easy to find out the remainder because you can straight apply the value of a here, value of b here. So that this equation will not have any other variable other than x. So you can straight apply the remainder theorem where you replace the value of x is equal to 2 because x minus 2 is equal to 0, so x is equal to 2. So let us see how this equation after placing the value of a and b is equal to x raised to power 4 minus 2x cube plus 3x square minus 5x. I am placing the value of a here plus 8. Now find out the remainder when is divided by f2. So 2 raised to power 4, how much it will be? Is 16 minus 2 raised to power 3 8 multiplied by 2 16 plus 2 raised to power 4 multiplied by 3 12 minus 10 plus 8. So that way if you solve this equation, your answer will be 10. So that is how a small trick given. Don't be worry about that. Some lengthy question which will have definitely have the more marks. But if you can understand these small tricks, how you have to solve this, just apply the mind what are the things given in the question and how to solve that. Now there is a mathematics, a little bit word twisting can play a difference. Now the question is given like fx is equal to 4x cube plus 4x square minus x minus 1, and it is being asked check whether it is multiple of 2x plus 1. Now multiple of 2x plus 1, what does it mean? That means 2x plus 1 is a factor of this. You have to check this. When the 2x plus 1 is a factor of this polynomial equation, then the remainder will become 0, because when it is completely divided, the remainder will become 0. So to prove that whether this is a multiple, this polynomial equation is multiple of 2x plus 1 or not. So what you have to do, as per, again you will write down as per remainder theorem, 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 1 upon 2. So as per remainder theorem, f minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 4 multiplied by minus 1 upon 2 cube plus 4 minus 1 upon 2 square minus 1 upon 2 minus 1. So this will become 8, minus sign will carry, minus 4 upon 8 plus 4 upon 4 minus will become plus 1 upon 2 minus 1. So here minus 4 upon 8 is minus 1 upon 2. This will become plus 1. This will plus 1 upon 2. This is minus 1. Plus 1 plus minus 1 getting cancelled. This is getting cancelled. So remainder is 0. Since the remainder is 0, you can write down, since remainder is 0, hence 2x plus 1 is multiple of, hence 4x cube plus 4x square minus x minus 1 is multiple of 2x plus 1. So that is how you have to prove that. Now let us close this remainder theorem here. As it is quite a long video. I hope you must have understood it properly. I'll just give R.D. Sharma again. Next time I will try to cover up the NCERT. I will try to give so that NCERT books are available to download easily. Exercise 6.3. So whatever I taught you in 6.3, solve 2, 6 and 7. Please note that in this R.D. Sharma is asking to use both the method, means you have to apply the long method as well as the remainder theorem method to find it out. So don't use the shortcut here. Solve question number 9, 10, 3, then 11, 11 and 12, 1 and 3. So if you can solve this, you can resolve your concept very clearly. Only 12, 3, be careful while solving this, because the divisor is given only x. So when you will compare the divisor is only x, then x is equal to 0. So you have to apply the value of x is equal to 0 in the equation which is given there. So that is what is all about the remainder theorem, guys. What we'll do, the next part of this chapter I will cover up later. Thank you very much. Thank you.